Hello, welcome to my channel. This is P Global Engineering Limited. I'm going to be showing you how pipe carrier reinforcement is carried out right now, as you are seeing on this video. In our previous video, we have shown how this pipe was installed, the drilling, installation of the reinforcement, and every other thing that involved. But this video now will be showing you the next stage, which is a pipe cap installation or reinforcement, which also have to go through a process. And this process we are seeing right now, we have installed our profile. The profile is to help us to get the alignments of the columns. The column starter bars are going to be installed on the pipe cap, has to be aligned. You can see the work that is going on. You see we are measuring the center to center of the columns from one wall to another, so that they can be aligned and checked to be correct before installing the starter bar. Look, I'm going to show you some of the methods we are using to install the starter bar. Work. What is important is setting the profile using a square so that it has an alignment, and the house will be square, so that some houses you see them rack not straight because it's not proper profiling work. So this is why you have to use profile, put nails on the wall and nail at the center of the wall, which has to be aligned. Then you have to do your offset from your fence to the building. All the offsets are correct, and you set your alignment for the building, and everything is correct. Then you start your process. So yeah, as I said before, the reinforcement of this pipe cap, you are using 60 mm and 12 mm for this reinforcement, and 10 mm just to hold it to position. The starter bar for the column, I'm marking it. They're going to be 50 mm concrete cover, and you have to give space for that. So you're marking how the position where the starter bar is going to be. In this one, we are using six starter bar or 20 mm, and we put it in place and use plumb. We're using plumb now to make sure they are in alignment, so that you can plumb and stand straight, so that you will not swap place. So this is the work. Then after they put in the steel rope really tight. This process will take place in every of the starter bar, and they pass the line. There's a line. See, have horizontal and vertical lines. At the point the point which the line meets, you put in the starter bar. So we are taking it and doing it. You can see what is going on here, so that every column will be straight in alignment and also plumb. See, this is what we are doing. So this is the process you see going on. Apart from this pipe foundation, you other foundation, wherever you have to make sure your pipe are in the right alignment. P Global Engineering Limited are good in quality job. They take consideration to standards and specifications. This is what we are seeing. So I want you to go just watch the video and begin to see more on this pie cap and starter bar installation.